In front of me is CUBOT King Kong Mini free, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid Lite Fluid Theme. It has to be from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music, tap at the bottom left corner. Then wait for the pop-up and hit consent. Now you can click on this gear at the top right corner and adjust all of those wallpaper options however you want to. You can even select presets over here on the left, tap on the best one for you, hit yes, and then adjust all of its options over here as well. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Slave Wallpaper. Click Yes. Select Set Wallpaper and tap on one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go with Home Screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!